Before this video starts, I just want to let you know, first link in the description, I have merch for sale. Now, I haven't done merch in my entire YouTube career, 5-6 years making these videos. If you guys have been following me since the beginning, you know I've never made any type of merch, and I don't really want to do just a screen printed shirt. So what I did was I released 10 custom hats. If you guys have been watching, you know that I've been making custom painted clothes, custom painted hats. Well, I can't release the clothes just yet because I'm waiting for a screen print, but the hats I'm not going to screen print. I'm ready to go. So I released 10 hats, link down below. They're all custom. Once they sell out, that'll be sold out. They have the custom painted brim. I have a custom all over print. We have, again, custom painted brim. And then some vintage trucker hats also. So first link in the description if you guys want to help support, if you guys love watching these videos, just any type of way, click the link, make sure you make a purchase. Thank you very much. Without further ado, let's get into it. So if you guys have been watching my videos, you guys know that I've been obsessed with Yeezy slides and the foam runners. It's all I wear living in South Beach. Even when I went to Colorado, I brought my Yeezy slides and I was wearing them for a duration of the time. I'm currently rocking the orange ones as we speak. But today, the Ochres and the Pures dropped. I took an L on sneakers. I took an L on Adidas Confirmed, and I took an L on Yeezy Supply. But I did check on OfferUp, my local. I found a size 13. Now, all my Yeezy slides are a size 14. Apparently, they changed the sizing on this one, that they do run a little bit bigger, so I'm hoping the size 13 will fit, but we're gonna see. Now, retail was $63. He had him up for 200. I offered 120. He came back at 170. I said, yo, I'll meet you at Adidas. Right when you get him, you're doubling your money. He said, okay. So I'm literally pulling up to the ATM real quick to get some cash out. Then we're gonna go to Adidas and cash them out. Pair of Yeezy slides for 120. Market on them isn't going crazy right now. Like on StockX, they're about $200, about $220 shipped if I ordered them. So I'm still saving about $80 to $100, but I know that they're gonna go up, especially when everyone takes the L's and for Christmas time. So I'm gonna get it. It's gonna be for a personal pair. I'm not gonna resell them unless if they don't fit me, then I have to get a size 14. So let me get some cash out, then I'm gonna switch to the GoPro and buy some Yeezy slides. Check out this hat. You guys didn't know, I am making customs. It will be linked down below. I released about 10 of these limited edition hats. I have 2 of these. I'm keeping this one for personal, but if you guys saw, we thrifted this John Deere hat. I did paint it. I have this painted Glock shirt, painted sweats, just a full fit today. All right, here we go. Yep. 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 120. Appreciate you, bro. Quickest money you made, bro. Thank you, bro. Size 13, right? Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. There we go. Just like that, we got a pair of Yeezy Ochres, size 13. I'm gonna go home, try them on. He paid $64 out the door. I gave him $120 cash. Again, you know, I'm happy with that because all my other slides I've spent like $300–400 on. Now, granted, you guys have known that I traded like vintage from my other pairs that I have, but yeah, I mean, I'm happy. Let's go home, try them on, and let's hope they fit. You know, this is the first time I'm breaking out. I mean, my other pairs were brand new, but this is like the first time like straight from Adidas, like it being wrapped. And man, I don't know if you could tell, it has like a little mustard swirl in it. From the looks of it, it does look like it's going to be smaller than the size 14. Let me just kind of... Now remember, the In Flames ran pretty small, but actually now that I'm looking at it, it might fit like the size 14. The only way, try it on. So let's see, this is how the size 14 fits. I have about ½ an inch, and that's how I like to fit it. I know people can fit it like, some people might say this is too big, but this is how I like it to fit. And then on the back, I have about maybe a 1/4 of an inch. So let's give these a shot. Wow, perfect. So the size 13 fits like the size 14. in flames. If you guys see, I have about a 1/2 inch there and about a 1/4 of an inch there. I was really concerned. Actually, on the raffle, I signed up for a size 14. I've been kind of mad if I got a size 14 because it seems like the size 13 fits exactly like the size 14 in these. Let's break out the other one and make sure that I'm not like one of those weirdos with, oh yeah, these fit perfect. Okay, so for reference, I'm gonna make a full video about Yeezy slides because I'm tired of these Yeezy influencers saying like, oh, the Yeezys run true to size, get your size. Like for example, the Vermilions, those things run so freaking small. Like you have to go up 2 sizes basically. And people are on YouTube like, yeah, I'll go to your true to size or maybe even half size. Like, no, bro, you guys are giving the wrong information. People are spending hundreds of dollars and getting the wrong size. So I'm gonna make a video about it, but I do wanna let you guys know that go up at least 1 size, I would say. You know, to be honest, you could go true to size, but the way that I like it is a little bit big. So the size 13 fits like a size 14 in flames. So yeah, if you're a size 12, I would definitely, you know, these are hard. I'm definitely keeping these. First thoughts, they're pretty soft compared to the in flames. Yeah, I'd say it honestly, it feels like a different material for sure. But I'm happy, $120. I can't beat it, you know. I got a pair of slides, another pair to add in the collection. These aren't as bright, so I'm super happy with it. So now we add it to rotation. So we got the new ochres, the in flames, the green glow, the A-Rats, Vermilions, and the Post Malone Crocs. And I actually have a pair of Crocs on the way. I will do an unboxing once those come in, but these are my daily uses. I do not wear shoes. This is all I wear. If I do wear shoes, you guys already know I'm wearing all white Air Forces. So it is currently the next day. I'm finishing off this video, but I just wanted to give a final thoughts on the Yeezy Ochre, the Yeezy Slide Ochres. I've been wearing them for 24 hours now, with socks, without socks, and I just want to give my final review because I've been wearing sandals my whole entire life. That's all I wear. If you guys have been watching me, you know I don't wear shoes. I don't like wearing shoes. All I wear is sandals. I've worn every brand you could probably imagine, and to be honest, Yeezy slides are one of the most comfortable slides I've ever had. Just from everything. I wear Crocs too. I'm wearing Crocs as we speak. It's just, I don't wear shoes. I only wear sandal-like or foam-like sandals, whatever you want to call these things. So my final thoughts on the Yeezy Ochres. One, they run way bigger than the green glows and the flame orange. My size 14 fits smaller than the size 13 in the ochre. I wear a size 12 in the 350 V2s. I probably could have got a size 12 in the ochres, but I decided to get a size 13. They are a tad roomy, but that's just how I like my sandals. Now, if you want them true to size, I would say if you usually wear a size 12 in the 350s, then go with a size 12 in the ochres. Now, if you want them even smaller, then go even, you know, go down a size. But I like mine to be a little bit roomy. I like to have about, you know, a 1/2 inch in between the back, just so that way it gives a little bit more comfort. Now, getting into the comfort. The in flames are kind of hard. I had to break them in and they're still a little bit stiff. I've been using them here and there, but I've noticed that they are stiffer. The green glows are crazy comfortable. It's one of the most comfortable colorways that they have. Now the ochres are paired to the green glows. The ochres you don't have to break in, they already come soft, but it's a different type of softness. It's not as squishy as the green glow, but it is still very soft and very comfortable. I didn't feel like I have to break them in. Unlike the inflamed orange ones, I didn't feel like they were kind of like a little bit hard at first and then they molded to my foot. These are already good off to go. So that's kind of my final thoughts, the sizing and everything like that. I like them though, I really do. Again, I could have probably got a size 12, but I do like the size 13, how they fit. They fit just like the size 14 of the Inflame and other ones. And also I'm thinking, since this one is like a winter fall time vibes, I'm gonna be using thicker socks for that, so I don't mind it being a little bit more roomy versus the green glows and the orange I can wear in the summertime with no socks or super thin socks. So that is gonna wrap up today's video. Now again, remember, I am dropping 10 custom hats. The link is down below, emiliosart.com. If you guys want to support, if you guys have been watching for a while, this is basically like my merch. Not to say I'm never gonna do screen printed shirts with like EMC on it or whatever, but this is my way of making merch that is personal to me. It goes with my brand, it goes with my theme. It's thrifted hats that I hand painted myself. They took over 2 days to complete each hat just because I had to wait and dry. For example, like this one, just crazy all over print. I had to wait for the mesh to dry, and to layer it, I had to wait also. So again, Emilio's Art, first link in the description. Every support does help, you know, make these daily videos. I haven't done merch in 5 years, and this is the first time I'm kind of releasing merch. So make sure you guys go check it out. First link in the description. I appreciate all your support. I will see you guys tomorrow for another video, and don't forget, guys, let's get it.